Tina's Maths. I teach CBSE 10 Maths. This is my sister Tina Lovers. She teaches 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the Today we are getting into a new chapter, that is triangles. Okay, so in this chapter most probably we are going to be solving the sums by using the theorems. Okay, so there is an important theorem, that is Thales theorem. Okay, so that is BPT. Okay, basic property. That is later on we can just discuss about that. So in that Thales theorem, we'll just have some steps and to prove those stuffs and those angles and all. So that is really easy to solve it if you guys understand it properly. Okay, so we are most probably in this chapter we are going to be using Thales theorem. So in the next video I'm going to be uploading about the Thales theorem. Okay, so first of all, in this video I'm going to be teaching about the basic things about triangles. Okay, so triangles means, of course, it is really easy to define what is a triangle. So triangle means it is a closed figure with 3 sides, then that is a triangle. Okay, so a closed figure which has 3 sides is known as triangle. For example, here we have a triangle, that is triangle ABC. So it is a closed figure and it has 3 sides, that is AB, BC and CA. Okay, so it is a triangle. Okay, so now let us see what are the types of triangles by side. Okay, so what are the types of triangle by side? So the types of triangle by sides are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Okay, so these are the 3 types of triangles. So since you guys know what is an equilateral triangle, so equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Okay, so the triangle in which all the sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means 2 sides are equal but one side is different, that is an isosceles triangle. Remember, okay, so 2 sides are equal but one side is different, that is an isosceles triangle. What is a scalene triangle? Scalene triangle means it is a triangle in which all sides are different. Okay, so everything is different, all sides are different, then it is a scalene triangle. Okay, so I'm just moving ahead little bit faster. Why? Because these are the basic things, of course, we learned in the lower classes. So we had a chapter in 9th standard as well about triangles. So in this 10th standard we are going to be learning the new topics, that is similar figures and congruent figures. So of course you guys know what is a congruent figure, am I right? So I'm going to recall about the congruent figures, but we are going to be learning a new topic, that is similar figure. Okay, so that is really easy to understand. Now let us move ahead. Now we are going to be recalling about the types of triangle by angles. Okay, so here it is by sides. Now we are going to be focusing on types of triangle by angles. So now let's go. So these are the types of triangles by angles. Okay, so what are the types of triangles by angles? Acute triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle. Okay, so these are the types of triangles by angles. So here the angles is really important. Okay, so first of all, what is an acute triangle? Acute triangle means less than 90 degree. Okay, so the triangle which is less than 90 degrees is known as acute triangle. Okay, and what is right triangle? Right triangle, it is a familiar triangle to us, am I right? So most probably we used to solve about the right triangle. Okay, so right triangle means 90 degree. Of course it is a common thing. So right triangle means 90 degree. What about obtuse triangle? Obtuse triangle means more than 90 degree. The triangle which has more than 90 degrees is known as obtuse triangle. Okay, so these are the types of triangles by angles. Okay, so now let us go on to the next topic, that is congruent figures and similar figures. Okay, so we are going to be recalling about the congruent figures. So already we had studied about congruent figures, but we don't know what is a similar figures, am I right? So first of all, now let us look at the definition of congruent figures. Okay, so those figures that have same size, same shape and size are called congruent figures. So the figures that have same shape and size are called congruent figures. So what does it mean, same shape and same size? So for example, here we have two triangles. So what is the shape? So here we have two figures. Okay, so here we have two figures. So these two figures are in triangle shape. Am I right? So shape means they are asking about whether it is triangle or rectangle or square or circle. Okay, so here the shape is triangle. So there are two figures. So the two figures shape is triangle and it has same size. Am I right? So here also it is similar, here also it is similar, no difference in them. Am I right? So here it is in medium size, here also it is in medium size. Am I right? Then it is a congruent triangles. So here we have the same shape and same size, then it is a congruent triangle, congruent figures. Okay, and now let's move ahead. So the next topic is similar figures. Similar figures means those figures that have same shape. So here only one single word is really important, that is same shape. Okay, so those figures that have same shape are called similar figures. Okay, so here we have two triangles. So we have here one triangle and here also we have one triangle. So here the triangle is small, but here the triangle is big. Okay, so no matter how small or how big the triangle is, but we should have the same shape. Okay, so here the shape of this figure is triangle. Here also the shape of the figure is triangle. Okay, so that's all. That is a simple explanation about the similar figure. Okay, so in case if I ask what is the shape of this figure, okay, once again, so what is the shape of this figure and what is the shape of this figure? What do you guys say? So what is the shape of this figure and what is the shape of this figure? So here the shape is square. Am I right? So here they have same shape, that is square. Am I right? Then this is known as similar figures. Okay, so the figures that is having the same shape are called similar figures. So here this square is so here this square is small, here the square is big. Am I right? But no matter how big or how small the square is, the shapes should be same. Okay, the shape is same means then it is a similar figure. Okay, so that's all. This is a simple explanation about similar figures. It was really easy to understand, but do remember guys, so you guys should know the difference between congruent figures and similar figures. Okay, most probably people used to get confused between congruent figures and similar figures since they don't study the definition properly. Okay, so here please learn the definitions, it is really important. So no need to learn the definitions, we should just understand the definition. Okay, so if you just remember these two examples, then it is really easy to write the definition. Okay, so remember this, it is really important, this topic is really important, please remember this topic. Okay,
thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. You can find my videos in the playlist. You can also find my sister Tina's videos in the playlist. Catch you in the next video. Bye.